going to have dinner at the same place Junior and I ate yesterday because she really loved it. And since it's still light out, I'm gonna share it with you guys too.
Hello.
Our last day in Florence is gonna be to go. Okay, babe, would you ever come back here?
Yes, like this place is amazing.
So how does this rank on list of favorite cities in the world?
Oh,
I know he's gonna say Dominican Republic, some city in DR.
No, DR.
He loves DR.
DR as a country is beautiful, but no. Positano #1, Florence #2.
Really?
Yeah, these places. And I haven't even been walking. I got sick yesterday, and
yeah, note to all you guys: wash your hands if you take the train. It's not true. It's just it's just that one time when we went to New York, I got this horrible eye infection.
Oh my God.
I was used to removing my eye makeup with Vaseline. That morning, I had removed my eye makeup with Vaseline. Then I put my contacts on, and I think I just got the petroleum jelly Vaseline in my eye. And then everything, I think we took the subway, and then we were walking around New York, and every time I touched my eye, I think it just stuck to the Vaseline, whatever bacteria they were.
You were legit blind.
My eyeballs got so swollen that I literally couldn't open my eyes. Okay, moral of the story, wash your hands, don't touch your eyes, and enjoy your trip.
For sure, if you come to Florence, one thing is you need to come here for a very long time.
Talking about how this would be great for a bachelorette or bachelor party, because there's lots of parties. Hello! Look, we ran into some people we know.
Hola.
Okay, so they give you this potato. Also ordered an espresso because I know Junior wants to be out tonight, so we gonna need to go.
More days makes sense.
Come for a week and a half.
A week and a half.
So I'm in Milan right now. We just arrived and we're only gonna be here a day because we fly out tomorrow back to Chicago. But we just got to our Airbnb. I'm hanging out a window once again. We are so excited to go walk over to the cathedral, the Duomo di Milano, which is that really gorgeous, huge cathedral in Milan. I've only seen pictures of it. I can't wait to see it in person. We're going to head over right now and then grab a bite to eat. Let's go. Tiny little European elevators, something I could live without. At least these are my parents. What if it was someone you didn't know? Just walking out, we walked right to our Airbnb. It was like a 20-minute walk, which was fine for us because we like walking. For example, right now we're walking half an hour to go to the cathedral instead of taking the subway because when in Milan, you see a lot of places to eat along the way. The city really reminds me of New York. I can't wait to see this cathedral and go eat some incredible food and see what Milan has to offer. We pretty much had pasta everywhere we've gone. If you guys are Italian, let me know if there's any dishes that I missed. I always ask the waiters for their recommendations, but I'm sure I missed some really good stuff. I've had gnocchi, I've had fettuccine, I've had tagliatelle, I think that's what it's called. I tried some of Junior's lasagna, had pizza, and I've had some really nice traditional desserts. In Florence I had a dessert that was like a sweet bread and it was really hard and you dip it in a sweet wine, and the bread it was kind of like a biscotti, it had almonds in it. So I try to try all of the local dishes. We're kind of going from a more modern area of the city to a more, from regular roads to the cobblestone roads. And then, if you can see over here, this beautiful entrance right here. How crazy is it that there's just this incredibly huge cathedral in the middle of the city? So this looks like a shopping center, but my camera just does not do it justice. Junior was just commenting on how there's so many older, gentlemen with really nice tailored suits and scruffy beards. Yeah, really thin tailored pants and
the best suits and people is Italian. So you gotta follow. Basically, gotta follow what they have, what they do. That guy looks really swagging. That guy.
He looks really nice.
He's probably 60 years old, a little bit older maybe.
He looks really nice. Oh my gosh. Guys, we made it to the cathedral. Look how beautiful it is. It is so tall.
Unfortunately, no drone footage.
Well, I don't know if we can fly the drone here.
We can. Is that if you're somewhere that's really touristy and there's no drones around, then
you know you can't fly them.
You know you can't fly them.
But what do you think?
I think it's crazy. That's my mom. I was like, Mom, how do you think they built this? You know, I was like, with a lot of patience. It's crazy.
So pretty. I've completely built up an appetite. I'm so hungry.
Yeah, we're gonna have to cut the vlog now because I'm starving. Let's go. Oh my god.
So speaking of flying the drone, I don't know if you guys can see behind us, but from like here up, there's a net, a really fine net. So if you were to try to fly a drone through here, or I guess for birds fluttering through, they can't get through. So I'm glad that we saw that before we tried to fly anything, because that would have sucked.
I know, right?
This is a little shopping mall. We could have actually cut through here, but we didn't earlier. We just went all the way around. But there's so many beautiful cafes here. All right, to food we go.
So where is it?
Caffè italiano.
Grazie.
Grazie.
Everywhere I go is a coffee overdose. Amazing coffee. Bugia.
Chianti. 25.
25.
Alla noce. Thank you. Welcome. Very nice day. Gonna be more famous. Thank you.
Guys, so the owner of the restaurant just gave us a free wine. I said when I was paying, I don't get a discount for my YouTube blog. I featured your restaurant. And he said he would give me a kiss, and Junior said no. And then he's like, oh, is he jealous? And I'm like, no, not at all. But he got us some Chianti.
There you go.
Hey. What a beautiful thing, you know, when you're in a foreign country and someone extends their appreciation and is super generous. How nice. I can't wait to try it. It's Chianti.
2016 too,
and the only thing I can think of is how on Silence of the Lambs, he's like, I ate his brain. I think he says I ate his brain with some fava beans and some fresh Chianti.
Really, baby?
It's like when he does that weird lip thing. Yeah, that creepy thing, but we're not having any people for dinner. We're just gonna try some of the Chianti.
Baby, that's amazing. We can keep this, like, yeah, we can bottle it up another 10 years.
But we're just taking carry-ons.
Oh, so we have to drink this? So we have to. We have to get drunk?
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we brought the